Hi 10th Street, Teacher Maria here. Happy first week of spring. So today I wanted to show you how to make your own garden seed ball. On the Google Share Drive there is an actual recipe up, so if you want to take a look at it, you're more than welcome to. There are a couple of things that you're going to need for this activity. You're going to need construction paper. Now you don't have to use construction paper if you don't have it. Newspaper works just as well, or brown paper bags when you kind of rip it up into pieces. That works really well. But for this activity, we're going to go ahead and use construction paper. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to get a bowl and you're going to cut the construction paper into strips. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to cut your strips into 1-inch squares. What I like about this activity is you can also utilize it as a good opportunity to practice your scissor skills. So your children can help with that. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to place your colors into a bowl of water. And you're going to kind of let them sit there for about maybe 2 to 5 minutes, so that way the construction paper gets nice and wet. Next, what you're going to need is a food processor. I've tried a blender. Didn't work very well, but if you want to try it, go for it by all means. What you're going to do is you're going to take the construction paper out of your bowl and kind of sprinkle it around in the food processor. You want to try to eliminate clumping, so that way you kind of have to spread it around. I'm going to add some orange in there as well. That one was sitting for a while. All right. Now with my paper in there, move my bowls. It's gonna get a little loud, but don't worry. A little tip, the longer you keep your construction paper sitting in the water, the easier it'll be to kind of grind in the food processor. You avoid getting clumps. Alright, looks about done. I'm going to go ahead and take my blade out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper out, kind of squish it up a bit. I'm going to lay it on this tray for a moment. Now I have Morning Glory flower seeds. You can use any kind of flower seeds that you want. These are the ones that I had on hand. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some onto my paper. I'm going to make sure they kind of get in there because the paper is what holds them together. And then another fun part is kind of squish it. Kind of reminds me of when you're making cookies. Squish it in your hands into a ball. And then I'm going to set it on a tray. And you're going to want to let them dry overnight. That way, tomorrow or the next day after you've done making them, they'll be ready for you to plant. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you plan on planting some, feel free to upload it on our Instagram page to show everyone what you've been up to. Bye.